What's good, everybody? It's a new project, 2007 6.0 freaking Vortec Max. I got some stuff we need to start fixing. Ooh, that's some good shit. So he got this truck for 3,000 bucks. Not bad. Need to fix the driver's seat. This is not that bad. I'll still rock it. We need a new freaking dashboard. It's all cracked and everything. But we're gonna put a brake booster. Got a brand new brake booster. Sorry, it's kind of hard with one hand. I'm gonna set this brake booster in. Brand new. Then we also got some control arms. The control arms. Oh yeah, came with decent amount size tires. The thread is good. And I get a new bumper. If I can show you guys, fix all these little cables. I was going crazy. I'm gonna fix the window that on the driver's side window actionator doesn't work. Let's put that filter in. That thing is fucking leaking. It's overheating. It wasn't overheating on the way, but I was having overheating issues. We got a bunch of fucking cables, man. I don't know what the fuck this guy was doing. The last guy that had it before me, but oh, there she is. We're gonna fucking turn it on real quick. I'm gonna see if those fans are even working. So the fans are working, but they don't really seem to be blowing that hard because it's overheating, you know what I'm saying? But well, there she is. Yeah, we dump some money on this bitch. See how she works. But yeah, those fans need to fucking. I need to get some other fans or something. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put an oil pump and a water pump. Because we got very little oil pressure, but give it a couple of seconds and that thing's gonna go all the way down. No overheat or nothing. I was driving on the freeway now, no problem, but it does kind of overheat when I'm stepping crazy on it. I'm driving normal, it's okay, but I've not been driving it a lot. Because like I said, project truck, still gotta fix it up. But there she is, boys. I'll hit you guys back good when we get her fixed. We got some 37s at the house waiting to put on. 37s on 17s. 37s by 13.5. Yeah. Keep you guys updated.